Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome back. But this is my channel, the weather Drake with Drake Bartmus, and so we will be doing like in thunderstorms. We will be going live on the live radar. I will be showing you the live radar and other stuff like that, and I'll just be showing you the forecast and all that. So, all right, thank you guys.